goals. He is in as former captain with the captain. New captain. Just 23 years old, good strike rate of 85.8 and a best of 66. Off the mark, but he's going to have to change his pad. He's come apart straight away. Right on the corner. Good enough to do the damage. Shot. That's a beautiful drive off the back foot before. When a man of his ability plays this kind of shot, it just settles everyone down. Because yes, there is movement, but he can still get into a good position, touch it off the back foot, get South Africa there from the boundary. That's off the edge. That's gone for 4. Challenge it as captain when you're playing in the Wanderers is, do you go 2 slips and then square on your side to try and limit the damage from boundary perspective? We've been found wanting twice, 2 outside edges, both would have had the second slip in business. Both have got away to the boundaries. There was frustration for India to start and bonus boundaries for South Africa. It's through. Third man's come up into a catching position. And again the ball goes through there. Off for 4. Catcher in that area. Fortunately it's played with soft hands. It takes the edge, goes down. And once again it's Rohit Sharma who dives trying to cut it off. Gets past him. Boundary down. Drop Smalling. Oh, could be close. Yes. Finger goes up. Bumrah strikes again. Ball coming back in. Parker and Iron look at his partner. Yes, they're going for it. And Hamla calls for it. I just think if this is a pretty straightforward leg before, looks pretty low as well. I think very close to the umpires. He had a good view of what was happening. No inside edge, big gap between ball and the bat. Well, there you go. Maybe not a good call there from Hashim Amla. Captain went to the review. Reviews remaining 0. Could be one of the factors that they won't get to that one. In position early, using those hands, not trying to keep it down, looking for the boundary. Gets his rewards. He's a long way down the wicket, so he'll still give it in.